Welcome back to CAD/CAM tutorial. Today we are going to create this model with the help of a 2D drawing, a 3D drawing. See, this is the 3D model. Now let's start to create a 3D drawing in Solidworks with the help of this drawing. I hope you like it. So let's start to create. Now let me start here. Go to File, New, and here we will select Part. Okay. Now we are in the Solidworks interface. Oh, the system is very slow. Let me choose plain white, and image quality also let's keep higher. Okay, now this is the model we are going to create. First we will start with this bottom circular face. We will draw this 60 millimeter circular face with width is 50 millimeter, and then later we will cut 32 millimeter. So let's start with this. Now here I'll choose right plane, sketch, circle, and let me draw a circle, smart dimension, and define the diameter 60 millimeter. Okay, that's it. Now exit and go to feature and choose extruded boss base. We want to extrude this body up to 50 millimeter. So click here 50, but blind it is going in one direction, so we will choose mid plane so that it will move in both direction. Okay, oh, that's it. Now here we want to make a hole that is 32 millimeter. Either you will choose right plane or I'll choose face, sketch, normal. You can take it from here also. This, see, circle, draw a circle, smart dimension, and that is 32 millimeter. Isometric view, exit, and go to feature extruded cut. Now here there is two method. Either you have to put here dimension 50, 60 or whatever dimension you want to cut, or either directly choose through all so that it will cut up to the end. Okay, see, now let's go the upper part. This upper part you will see outer radius 20 millimeter and the center distance 80 millimeter, and this width is 60 millimeter, height 60 millimeter and 50. So let's make this one. So how we will make this one? We will go for same plane, sketch, normal. Let me draw one center line, exit. Now choose here line and draw one horizontal line, then go create a taper line, then go back this point and it will automatically, your line will convert into arc, and click this, exit. Now here you will see, click this point, tangent, this point also tangent. Now choose line and both the points, symmetric view, that's it. Now select this point and this point, merge, so that it will, you can expand also. Now let me select this circle, convert entity. Either you can create also. Here one option you will get, extend entities. Click here, escape. Now what we will do, smart dimension 80 millimeter, this radius 20 millimeter. Okay, and we will make some relation. Select this line and circle and create relation tangent. The same thing we have to do it here, tangent. Now let me choose this point and this line and create relation coincident, a smart dimension, and let me define the distance. From here hold shift key and this circle 60 millimeter, that's it. Okay, now let's extrude, exit, extruded boss base. Now here selected contour, we have option which field we need to expand. So we will choose this top one, that is 50 millimeter, and the same thing we will apply here mid plane, so that it will move in both direction. Okay, now I'll choose the same sketch, again click extruded boss base. Now this time we will select this bottom faces, keep mid plane, and the width is only 15 millimeters. See, okay, now that's it. See here, the width is 15 millimeter. Now we need to make a hole. The hole size is 20 millimeter, and this cutout is 25 millimeter and 45 millimeter from above. Okay, first I'll go this face sketch, normal circle. I'll draw one circle here, and let's define this one 20 millimeter. Okay, now what we will do, choose this outer circle, hold shift key and this circle, and create relation concentric. Now see, it is fully defined. Extruded cut. Now this time you can select through all. See, we want to create a throughout hole. Okay, that's it. Now it's time to cut. So what plane we need to use? Front plane, that is better option. Sketch and choose here sketch, then choose normal. Now I'll select here corner rectangle and start with this upper line. Okay, smart dimension, let's define this one. This gap is 25 millimeter and the overall is 50 millimeter, so the side length is 12.5 millimeter. Oh, that's it. Now this length shows 45 millimeter. That's it. Now exit isometric view, feature, and select extruded cut. Now what we will choose here, through all, direction to through all. See, or either you can directly choose here through all both, so that it will automatically select in both direction. Okay, now that's it. See how we created a simple 3D model in SolidWorks with the help of sketch and feature tools. Now let's define some material. So go to appearance, scene decal, appearance, metal. Let's check steel. Oh, it's too dark. That's look fine. And let me choose nickel. Okay, that's also fine, but I feel this little better. So I hope you like it. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.